Okay, here's a look at the upper fairing, and here's the repairs. This piece cracked and fell out, and then a crack developed going up here, as well as a crack going down this way. So on the back side, I started the repairs on the back side. This is a chunk of ABS plastic. I just cut out a big piece and shaped it roughly to fit in the gap, and then took scrap and tack welded it together. And then the plastic iron kit I have has this aluminum mesh, and so I melted the mesh down into the fairing and into the plastic, and then covered it with ABS. I did that on all the cracks, and I had cleaned out the cracks first, and I extended everything beyond the cracks. So everything's now reinforced. However, I didn't realize, and here you can see kind of the warp. I had warped the plastic on the back side. So now I'm going in and sanding everything down and going to try to fair everything in.